What's going on, everyone? It's Lee here, the rental guy. I'm at my mother and father-in-law's where I set up a tent for a grad party. Anyways, today we're gonna go over this manual stake puller. This is the Maximizer. You can see right here, the Maximizer. I bought this guy from Special Event Sales. They carry it as a product. They like to refer to it, I believe, as the moon shape puller. It's pretty lightweight for like a strong metal. I don't know what it is, like hollow steel. It's got a moon shaped bottom, and then you can put your desired size of puller on there. I've got a puller for the small ones, but you can get a larger size puller. And the nice thing is there's a handle right here, so you can carry this around, which we carried it around from one to the other last year. But then I realized the moon shaped puller, it's more so, instead of like carrying it, you can drag it, right? It's smooth, you drag it across the grass from one to the next, and you know, you can just line it up to your stake and then twist it in, right? No bending over needed, and then you just, instead of like pulling with your arms, you just lean back a little bit with your weight, twist it out, pull it back in, just lean back. Then you're using the least amount of energy as possible. It's a great manual stake puller. For anything other than the big guys where you probably want a hydraulic stake puller, asked them if I should get this one or the Jackjaw, and they told me to get this. I've never used the Jackjaw myself, but I'm quite happy with this one here. So drag, you can just twist it on to the next one like that. Show me the whole thing. And then let's go over to the next one. And just twist it on. One pull. Twist it on the next one. If it's harder, you can use your body weight to pull it back instead of your arms. Out. Next one. Oh, another thing, if you're doing stakes in the tall grass, just go like that, so when you go to pick them up, you'll be able to see where they are because they get lost in the grass. You know, the dragging and leaning that you can do on this thing is a huge energy saver. That's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.